Hello guys, if you've been using the default vscode font for a while, you might be surprised by how much a custom font can improve your coding experience. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up a custom font in Visual Studio Code. Before we dive in, these are my personal favorites fonts I regularly use in VS Code, so let's begin by downloading and installing these fonts on our computer. If you already have them installed, feel free to skip ahead. Now, open any web browser on your computer, then go to fonts.google.com. Search for each font, starting with vscode, and click on Get Font button. Then repeat the same process for other fonts as well. Once you've selected all of your fonts, click on Shopping Bag icon in the top right corner. Then click on Download All button. You'll get a single zip file with everything packed inside. Open your Downloads folder and extract that zip file. Inside Extracted folder, you'll see separate folders for each font family, but we only need the .ttf or .op font files. Now, let's install these fonts in our computer. Open File Explorer, then open C Drive. From there, go to the Windows folder and then open Fonts folder. Open each font folder, locate .ttf files, select them, and drag them directly into Fonts folder. Alright, fonts are installed, let's head back to VS Code. For newly installed fonts to be recognized properly, I highly recommend restarting VS Code. To set a font in VS Code, click the gear icon, then select Settings. In search box, type Font Family. In Font Family field, type in your preferred font name. Make sure the font name is typed exactly as it appears, then click anywhere outside the field. As you can see, Editor Font updates immediately, no additional restart required. If a font name contains spaces, make sure to place it inside quotes so VS Code treats it as a single font name. As you can see, the vscode font is now applied in VS Code. Feel free to try different fonts and see which one suits your preference. My personal favorite font is JetBrains Mono. As you can see, it has a clean appearance that works really well for coding. There's one more thing I'd like to show you. If you want your code to look cleaner and easier to read, you can enable font ligatures. What they do is transform common operators, like arrows or equal signs, into more visually readable symbols, without actually changing your actual code. To enable it, go back to your font settings and click on this icon to open JSON settings file, then add the following line and set the value to true. Make sure to save the file by pressing Ctrl+S on your keyboard. As you can see, font ligatures make certain operators appear more readable while keeping your code exactly the same. So, that's how you can set up a custom font in Visual Studio Code. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.